we're gonna have to put this one inside. Taj. What? Why did you do that?
Because someone excuse me.
Huh? Did you?
Yes.
You said excuse, but we're cooking.
Papa, well then I'm getting school and someone excuse me.
I thought you go to Namika. That means Taj, you Other. No. Why are we cooking then if you're full?
Because someone excuse me not to cook.
Tuendelee kucook.